Well, it's time for another upgrade on Edna, and the project for today is to upgrade the wiper arms. So I think that these are the original wiper arms because they are straight and definitely look kind of old. So if they've been replaced at some point, it's probably a long time ago. And they have kind of an odd end that has like a little bolt, and the wiper blade itself is very narrow there. And I did a video a while back where I replaced the wiper insert, and the blade itself was okay, so I just replaced the rubber insert, and that got us by for a number of years. But they are cracking and worn out again, and when I went to try to get the insert, I couldn't find it anywhere. The part number that I used last time said that it had been discontinued. I tried several other types of inserts and then also looked at several different wiper blades to see if I could find something that would attach to this, and just no luck. I probably tried 4 or 5 different options. Nothing fit, nothing was right. So I decided that I would upgrade the entire arm. So Applied GMC, the GMCRVparts.com folks have these, and I don't know what kind of vehicle they're from. I've heard that there's a early 90s GM vehicle that has a wiper arm that's the right length and fits right. You notice this one does have a different shape to it. So when I bolt it on, it's going to have this kind of angled up, and then I'll be able to position it in about the same place as the other one. The big advantage, though, is that this has an end that is a very common style of wiper arm. And so you can get just a kind of standard 22-inch wiper blade or inserts for this wiper blade that basically will just snap right onto this. And they're widely available, lots of different places. So figured that's the way to go. And this also has, there's a little sprayer hose that runs up the bottom of this and has a little nozzle there. This one also has the hose built in, and the hose runs up and has a couple of sprayers. So this should be a pretty much direct replacement. Now I think that there's some modifications that need to be done to the bolt up place here. I think it needs to be maybe ground out to have a little bit of a taper to it. But that's why I get things like this from a place like Applied. I'm sure there's other GMC motorhome kind of specialty parts suppliers. This is just the one that I use the most because they're on the West Coast. But this should bolt right up, so that's the plan. I'm gonna take off the bolt here, take off the old ones. I may need to do some work to pull this off, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. So I pulled off the nut. This is a 1/2-inch nut, just came right off. And I used just a screwdriver to kind of pry this up and move it up. The shaft itself seems straight and actually has flat edges on it. And what I see here is the inside of this has a kind of a fitting, and you can see some notches on the outside of this. That's what makes the connection between the shaft and the wiper arm. So the bigger hole that I was seeing on the new arm is going to be fine because I will use this same fitting on the inside. I just need to pop that out and put it into the new wiper arm. The hose just came right off, so that looks pretty good. And we'll see if we can get this out and put it on the new arm. Okay, well that just popped right out, so that'll go into the new wiper arm. Oh, it's kind of rusty. This time the thing stayed on there. It's kind of handy. Okay, so this new arm is a lot thinner than the old one, so it came with these spacer washers to make it fit. And when I tighten this down, I need to tighten it down pretty tight because I want the splined kind of center of this to bite into the base of the arm here to keep it from slipping when it's working. And I can see it sliding down a little bit. Okay. All right, well that is very tight. So now I've got both of these lined up pretty well. They seem pretty solid. Now I need to start the engine to try them out because this has hydraulic windshield wipers. So the engine has to be running. So I'm going to start the engine up. We'll try the wipers and the washers and make sure everything works. The main thing I'm interested in is making sure that they actually move the way they're supposed to and don't slip on this spline, which would be a bad thing. So just make sure they're extra tight. Yeah, that's very tight. And we'll start it up and try it out.